Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm base box unboxing. The theme for this month is Candy Shop. And we'll go over what I got. First thing I have is the lava lashes. in this, what do you want to call it? The name is Charm, I guess. That's what they look like. They retail for $19.99. I don't do lashes, so I'm going to be passing these along. So, yeah, I won't be keeping those. Next is the Luxie. This is the Wonderlust set. This is a 5-piece eye brush set. Has this cute little bag here with the rose gold zipper, which is quite stunning. So you have this is the medium angled shader brush, the large shader brush, the brow and lash brush. Mom won't get that. This is the blending brush. And this is the tapered blending brush. So that's pretty nice. It says that retails for $40. Okay. And they go in this cute little bag, so that's cute. Not that I'll be traveling anywhere, but you never know. And I have cat hair on me, so I'm so sorry. So $40 for that. I'm not gonna keep this plastic. All right, so I'm passing the, the brow one to my mom. Next is, I picked this. This is the Dose of Color Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. My shade is the shade 02, which is fair. Let's see, where is it? It says this retails for $24. So if you hear scratching at my door, that's my cat trying to get in after I threw him out, because all he wants to do is destroy. That's pretty pale. Whoa, okay. Eek. I could probably use that as a mixer. I picked the lightest shade because I'm so freaking fair, but dang. It might work. I don't know. I'm keeping that, so. The next thing is from Frank Body. This is the Glow Mask. I think I got a Frank Body item last time, and it was the loose scrub, and I don't like those. I like scrub, but not loose scrub. I like stuff that it's like an oil or something like that. Anyway, let's see, what is this thing? This moisturizing face mask is natural and ultra hydrating. It works to reduce puffiness and give skin extra life, glow, and brightness. It's perfect for pre-makeup, late nights, and morning afters. It's natural, cruelty-free, and only takes 5 minutes to work. And that retails for $21.95. Okay. And the last thing I got, I'm kind of excited because I wanted this. This is the Beauty Bakery Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. That's what that looks like. I'll swatch it for you. I'm going to do Cuddle Cakes. Yawning. And Forehead Kiss. There's the colors there. Pretty. Mats are pretty nice. They're subtle but nice. It's dry already. Okay, cool. That retails for $38. I do have one of their other palettes, but I haven't used it yet. I have their Game of Cones, their Game of Thrones one. So that was my Boxycharm base box. Now I did get some add-ons. Was it for? I don't know. I'll put pictures up of the add-ons. I got the in the add-on section they had a face exfoliator like the Foreo, but it's like pop sugar something. It looks like a strawberry, but I got the blue one. I'll have a picture up right over here. I got that for $24. The thing retails for like $100 or something like that. And the other thing that I got, I don't remember. Isn't that stupid? You forget what you order. Anyway, I'll have hold on a second. Let me check it out. I don't remember. I'll just have to add it in when I edit. And I might do a little blurb about it, you know, editing blurb. Anyway, I do have some add-ons that I ordered from previous, like 1 or 2 boxes previous. So, anyway, let me get into that. Hold on a second. It was the Hank and Henry Sweet Tooth palette. I'll have a picture of that up there. So that's the other thing I ordered. So, anyway, these are add-ons from like 1 or 2 boxes ago. I just didn't film it. I kind of forgot. Then I'm like, oh, I might as well just film it all together. So, anyway, I'll have, if I can find it, I'll have prices of what I paid versus retail. I know I got some good deals. So, this is the Saturday Skin 10% glycolic acid plus pore control complex toner. I think I paid like $12. I don't remember. I'll put up on the screen. I got that. Then I got the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. I think I got these for $9, but I'm trying to remember, but I don't really remember. Then I got the Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. I love this stuff. Like I said, I'll put the price. I really like Korres products. They're really nice. I got the Versali Unicorn Essence. This is the travel guide. I didn't grab the big one. I don't remember if they had the big one. I don't remember. But anyway, I got that. Then I got the Versali Rose Gold Elixir. Then I got the Milk Makeup, what are you? Push Lip Scrub. I don't think there's a flavor, just their original. So that's what that looks like. Just a lip scrub. Ooh. Magnetic. Okay. That's cool. Oh, why am I putting it back in the box? Dork. Then I have this Grace and Stella eye masks. I think these are $12. And you get 12 pairs. I really like their eye masks, so I was happy to see that there. Then I got this Kopari deodorant. This is their coconut oil deodorant in the tropical scent. I wanted to try this, so I got it when they had it. I should have got, I think they had some other scents, but I just grabbed the tropical one. Then I got this Hank & Henry Spring Fling eyeshadow palette. Colors there, they're so pretty. I'll do a few for you. Their names are funny as heck. I'm gonna do Popsicle, Daisy Dukes, and Las Palmas. Those are very pretty. I like that. Hold on a second. And the last thing I got is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. There's 5 of them. I think they had this on for $12. Normally they're like $135. So, yeah, I didn't pass that up because I really wanted to try these. So, I think it was 12. I know it wasn't. I know it was under 20. That's all. I do know that. When I edit, I'll have everything up on the screen. So, to recap what was in the box, I'm keeping the breakfast in bed palette. I'm keeping the brushes. Except for this one. This one's going to Mom. I'm keeping the mask. And I'm keeping the concealer. I'm passing on the lava lashes. So, 2 things I'm getting rid of out of the box. So, that's not bad. I'm pretty happy with what I got. Even though I keep telling them I don't do lashes, but that's alright. Kind of annoying, but it's fine. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Give us a thumbs up if you like subscription box unboxing videos. Subscribe if you have not. We'd love for you to join the fam. And click that bell if you like more notifications from me. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.